of energy healing across various cultures. This exploration offers a deeper appreciation of how ancient practices have influenced modern energy psychology, highlighting the timeless nature of this healing art. Our journey begins in the cradle of civilization, where the seeds of energy healing were sown. In ancient Egypt, the concept of Ka, or life force, was central to their healing practices. Priests and healers used this understanding to maintain health and treat illnesses. Similarly, in the Indus Valley, the foundational principles of Ayurveda and yoga emphasize the balance of energy, or prana, for holistic health. As we move to East Asia, the profound influence of traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, becomes evident. Here, the concept of qi, or life energy, and its flow through meridians is pivotal. We explore how ancient practices like acupuncture and qigong evolved, aimed at maintaining health by balancing this vital energy. The intricate mapping of the body's meridians in TCM is a testament to the ancient understanding of energy pathways. In the Indian subcontinent, the chakra system, as outlined in ancient Vedic texts, offers a compelling view of energy centers within the human body. Each chakra, corresponding to specific physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects, plays a crucial role in maintaining balance and well-being. The integration of chakra balancing in modern healing practices shows the enduring relevance of these ancient teachings. The journey takes us next to ancient Greece and Rome, where energy concepts were integral to their understanding of health. The Greek concept of pneuma and the Roman vis medicatrix naturae reflect the understanding of a vital force essential for health and healing. These concepts influenced early Western medicine, laying the groundwork for a more holistic understanding of health. Our exploration also includes the rich traditions of indigenous and shamanic cultures worldwide. These traditions, with their rituals and practices, have long embraced the concept of a life force integral to health and healing. This historical journey through the world of energy healing not only enriches our understanding of energy psychology, but also highlights the universal quest for balance and wellness that transcends time and culture. As we trace the paths of ancient wisdom, we gain invaluable insights into the practices that form the foundation of modern energy psychology. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening exploration where we honor the past and embrace its timeless wisdom in our journey towards holistic health and healing. Let's continue to uncover the treasures of ancient healing practices and their relevance in today's world.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.